Installing CCTV? Don't make these 6 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, wasting the field of view. Incorrect camera placement can cause blind spots or cover unnecessary areas. Plan carefully to maximize coverage. Mistake number 2, forgetting to remove the protective film. It may seem obvious, but it's a common mistake. Film can blur footage and reduce clarity. Always double-check that it's removed. Mistake number 3, ignoring the distance limits of wires. Failing to use the recommended wire lengths can lead to signal loss. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for optimal performance. Mistake number 4, forgetting to waterproof the cables. Outdoor cameras are exposed to nature's elements, so waterproof cables are essential. Ensure all connections are protected to avoid damage. Mistake number 5, insufficient storage capacity. HD footage takes up a lot of space. Make sure you have enough space, either locally or in the cloud, for your recordings. Mistake number 6, failing to test the system regularly. Regular testing ensures cameras and components work correctly. Schedule routine checks to catch issues early.